Hi fam! So ako muna magte-take over dito sa vlog na to. So just wanna share with you yung pinuntahan namin or pinagstayan namin sa Baguio nung nagpunta kami last May. So itong hotel na to is na-discover lang namin siya kasi while browsing, looking for a hotel. It's the Cityside Inn Hotel. And since 8 kami, we booked 2 rooms and each room kasya yung 4 dahil may 2 double beds. Actually, nag-book na kami dito sa hotel na to before and sobrang namin nagustuhan kaya dito kami ulit nag-book. And itong hotel na to is malapit siya sa Mines View Park. So, yung room na to sobrang linis niya, yung mga sheets na ginamit, sobrang linis and sobrang bango. And this is just like 3,200 para sa 4 na tao. And even the bathroom, sobrang linis. May kompleto yung dental kit, may soap, may shampoo, okay, and well-maintained yung mga rooms nila. And for 3,200, hindi lang yon, meron ka na ding balcony. So, sobrang mura niya for 4 packs. And yung view mo sa balcony, it's breathtaking. Though, hindi siya sobrang magandang mga mountains and all. Pero, for the price, sobrang worth it niya na. And talagang number one na pinaka nagustuhan namin is yung cleanliness. Kasi sobrang linis talaga niya. Unlike dun sa mga ibang napagstayan namin na hotels na medyo pricey, pero hindi sila ganun kalinis. Kaya we still booked dito sa hotel na to. And kompleto yung dental kit na binibigay nila. If you're 4, of course, they'll also give you 4 dental kits. And you'll have your body wash, your shampoos, your soap. Tapos meron din siyang hot and cold shower, which is of course perfect for Baguio. Kasi syempre minsan pag malamig, kailangan natin ng hot shower. Then meron ding Wi-Fi, free Wi-Fi. And meron din silang cable TV, may Netflix, na pwede kang manood kapag naiinip ka na and all. Kaya sobrang ganda. And meron din silang, of course, free coffee, which is really good para sa price niya. Sobrang worth it nitong hotel na to. And actually, marami silang mga rooms. So, if you would really like to book, you just have to message their Facebook page. Kasi wala pa silang website eh. And hindi pa yata sila nakikita sa Agoda. So, if you really want to book this hotel, puntahan nyo lang yung Facebook page nila. It's Cityside Inn Hotel. And I guarantee that you will enjoy your stay. Ito yung restaurant nila. Dito kayo mag-breakfast kasi nag-offer din sila, of course, ng free breakfast kasama na dun sa binook nyo. So, please visit Cityside Inn Hotel kasi masarap din talaga yung pagkain nila. We ordered longganisa, we ordered corned beef. They're all perfect. And even the interior of this hotel, sobrang pasok na pasok talaga sa banga. Kaya kung ako sa inyo, please check out this hotel. It's really highly recommended. Mag-enjoy yung family nyo, yung friends. Ayan kami, for the picture, this is way hagdan. As the aesthetic, I say, visit now.